Hey, have you heard about visual management?
Yes, it's a concept that's used to improve efficiency and productivity in the workplace.
Exactly. Visual management includes two basic forms: visual displays and visual controls.
Visual displays communicate important information, but do not control what people or machines do.
Right. Some examples of visual displays include signs that indicate locations for items or departments, and metrics displays that communicate performance measurements.
Visual controls, on the other hand, ensure that activities are performed correctly.
Can you give me some examples of visual controls?
Sure. Process control boards that display planned versus actual production are one example. They have a red-yellow-green system that is used for moving folks around to ensure that production is brought back to standard. Another example is a mistake-proofing device that prevents production or another activity from proceeding unless certain conditions are met. Finally, Kanban and FIFO lanes are both examples of visual controls that control the flow of work and the amount of inventory.
That's fascinating. Visual management seems like an important concept for improving efficiency and productivity.
Absolutely. If you're interested in learning more, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.